Alright, homemade sun protector for pool equipment here with the Yuma Heat and sun rays. Sun rays absolutely destroy, the UV rays absolutely destroy, everything it touches. So that's what I did. It's second year with it. So here we go. Concreted some holes into the ground. Local hardware store, they had these fittings for the joints. It's sturdy, and this, and for the heater, you're not supposed to put anything around it. I think it calls for 2 feet from everything. See, I had the local sewing company cut that out above it to disperse the hot air coming from that, so it's always drawing cool air. So that's awesome. Works out for me. Pentair may not agree, but I do. And it's keeping everything new. Thanks for watching.